Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today just a brief update on the gold market, since situation hasn't changed really significantly since yesterday. So as you can see, in recent time gold has tried multiple times to continue move higher, but every time something has happened. So yesterday this was the positive data on the factory orders in the United States, and the perspective of the another rate hiking in March have appeared on the horizon. The equities, and including the Asian equities, has rallied, and that has made the negative impact on the, or better to say, not quite negative impact, but maybe just holding impact on the gold market, and it has prevented gold market from the further upward action. On the Japanese yen, as we have discussed today in our Forex daily update, market has formed a daily double repo pattern and starting to move up. On the gold market, as you can see, volatility has increased significantly recently. That's why we warn you every time for trading in the opposite direction. So we said that all that we need right now is just to get nice entry point. That's why we are just not really fascinated with any patterns that's forming right now for the scalp trading. But this is just the position of the daily trader. So if you trade on the intraday charts, this is really valuable information for you. So as you can see, this conclusion could be done really simple here. So further perspective will depend on this one, pennant, that has been formed, or better said, triangle on the daily chart. Theoretically, this is the upward continuation pattern. But guys, gold is very cunning market. So if you will take a look at the monthly chart, when the market stands at its top around 190,000 level, that was right before the collapse on 2008. Before this top, market has formed some kind of the consolidation that also had started as a triangle first, but later market has formed another top here and then drop lower. That is very typical for the gold market. And here we could get something of that sort. So if even market will exceed this top, as we said, because yesterday we have acknowledged that market really shows some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure here. This market is forming higher tops with a bearish trend, and that usually leads to at least the taking out of the top. Maybe it will not lead to upward continuation immediately, but market should grab the stops above this high. Another reason why we think that hardly upward action will happen immediately is the situation on the weekly chart. So if you'll take a look at the weekly chart of gold, you will see that yes, right now market has potential to move up based on this overbought area, overbought level. But take a look, 1285 is the weekly 618 resistance. That's why if market will take it out of this top, will continue move high to 1280, hardly it will continue move right now here. So of course we could get some kind of this action, but some reasons we need some reason for that. In a more normal technical behavior, it's more probable that market will grab the stops, hit this level, the resistance of this level will press on the market and will return it back down, and the real retracement will start. That's why we still think that the butterfly is the possible pattern that could be formed here, and market could turn down. Also, guys, take a look at forming double repo pattern as we have discussed. And today, if we will get the close below it, be extra careful with this pattern right now, because personally I do not like it. This is bad development of the double repo. It shows that no really reversal, no real capitulation of the bulls have happened. So take a look. First top, retracement down, new traders have taken the long position. Second attempt, failure to continue move down, failure to continue move up, but no real capitulation. So market just stands flat without closing below the 3 by 3 and even creeping to the upside. This is not closing of the shorts. This is not some closing of the closing of the longs, of course. This really some kind of the churning when the market just turning the short orders inside of this consolidation. But external, not really positive for the gold market news, as I said, the positive data on the United States economy, rally on the stock market right now just prevent gold for the action. So maybe there's sufficient purchases, sufficient buyings around it, but external patterns are pushing on the market and prevent them to start move up. But here, guys, I don't like the idea to take in the short position. So if market will drop, if double repo will work, well, very, very good. In this case, we will get our entry point somewhere around the yearly pivot point, so 1170, 1175 area maybe. But I really think that it seems that it's not really something wrong with this bearish setup, if we could call it. Personally, I do not like it. I feel that market probably will show the upward jump here, grabbing this top, and maybe after that some retracement will happen, something of that sort. What else I could say, guys? On the 4-hour time frame charts, also nothing could add really. It's the same pattern. The one thing that I would like to say, guys, is that why I think that it's really mostly some bullish pressure is growing right now in the gold market. It's a bit contradicts with the Japanese yen situation, as you understand. But still, that's why, as I said, it's really tricky. It's retracement currently on the Japanese yen and the gold market, and every time we call you just to wait when we get just entry point, and do not pay much attention to just this mess that now is growing on the gold market and on the Japanese yen. This is churning action really. So another point that I would like to say here is that, guys, gold market here had a lot of chances to show downward retracement, but every time something stopped it. So even here, the gradually 222 has been formed. Market has reached barrel at the 618 drop. So very minor target has been hit, or even market hasn't quite reached it. Multiple butterflies have been formed here on the hourly chart. Here was the butterfly, here was the butterfly. No real drop has happened. Double repo pattern was right at the edge of the forming on the confirmation on the last week, but this hasn't happened. Right now, guys, taking a look, market hasn't quite reached the lower border of this pennant and turning to the upside. So this is also not really good sign for the bears. It's really could continue move higher. So that's why I really do not want to take the bet on the bearish development. If market dropped, I will be thankful to this because I will get nice opportunity to take a long position on the gold market. That's why I mostly believe that market could really show upward action here. It seems right now more probable, at least on the behavior that I see right now. Well, at the same time, this action hardly will be too significant due to the resistance that exists on the weekly chart. Small to 1280, 1285. This is will be our short-term next destination point.